If you know someone who's interested in detailing or is just a car enthusiast in general, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name's Dylan, and today we're going to be talking about some gift ideas you may not have thought of. With Black Friday and Christmas right around the corner, now is one of the best times to find the most useful gifts for them that they will absolutely love. We're going to go over some ideas that will make the shopping experience a little bit easier on you. To start off our list, an all-purpose cleaner is pretty much as useful as things get. Whether it's just a bottle or a gallon, whatever size you get, an APC, like in the name, an all-purpose cleaner, can be used for all sorts of things that will no doubt be helpful when trying to get the job done. These products truly are a lifesaver in the detailing world. Anytime you're trying to get a vehicle clean, or really any aspect, like my immediate go-to is Super Clean Degreaser, which can also be found in the description, so check it out, see if that's kind of one that fits your budget, see if it's what you think you would like, your friend would like. You know, if you're getting gifts this season, then by all means, check it out. And speeding on through, the second idea on our list is a detail brush. While there is a few different kinds out there, each with their own level of softness or length, you simply cannot go without one of these things. You know, no matter which kind you get, they are so helpful, like just beyond words can describe, when trying to get into, say, any hard to reach areas, or when something just needs a little extra scrubbing. These things really can do it all and make the whole cleaning process 100 times easier. This leads us into the third thing on our list, which are microfiber towels. You've probably heard all kinds of things. There's so many different blends you can get. There's so many different colors, shapes, sizes. It can be so hard to pick. But in reality, no matter how many of these things you get, surely whoever you're buying them for will find a use out of them. These things help wipe up any mess created when cleaning, which means they're literally always in need. And going back to that idea that there's so many to choose from, you know, they can get specific too, which also makes it easier. So if you're buying for a person who likes to clean the inside of their car all the time, then there's interior microfiber towels that you can pick up. Same thing goes with the outside. Or if you're cleaning the glass, if you're wiping on or off a wax, you know, like there's so many different uses, which just shows how in need they will always be. So these are probably one of the best on the list that you could get. The fourth idea that you can ponder around with is more of a strategy when you're trying to figure out what to get them. So in order to find them a physical product that they will like, and if you're just unsure about what kind to get them, then probably the easiest thing you could do is simply ask them what their favorite product line is. That way you know what brand to get. Or if you want to keep it more on like the surprise side of things, then you could also look at some of their products and figure out which brand occurs the most out of their lineup. That way you can kind of figure out which ones they rely on the most and which ones they trust the most. In turn, getting a product that they will actually use and won't just sit up on their shelf all year. To wrap up our list, this is something that makes all the tools that we just covered even more convenient for the person you're gift shopping for. This is a bucket caddy. And these things, wow, you will not regret using one if you have not. These things just attach right on the side of a bucket and provide such a nice place to put all of the tools you need. Like, rather than just spreading them all out over the place and losing what you need while you're on a job or just while you're focused, this is a nice little carrier that will attach, like I said, right on the side of your bucket, will fit numerous amounts of tools, spray bottles, you name it. And it's just so dang handy. And so considering some of the things that you may be buying for them, this will really kind of one up everything and kind of put them all together as like the ultimate present, as the ultimate gift idea. Now that we have sped right on through that list, you are ready for, say, the holiday seasons, or just in general if you are looking for a buying guide with anything detailing or car cleaning related, then here you go. If any of these gifts sound like the perfect fit to you, they are all down in the description for easy access. If you have any ideas of your own that you'd like to share, please make sure to do so, because I would love to hear them. And that's that, y'all. See ya.